Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of VID Engine. VID Engine is an app produced by Rudy Rudra and it is an all-in-one video marketing and automation technology that helps you create eye-catching videos, lure visitors to your offers, hence helping to boost your sales and profits. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a demo of how this app works. And do not forget to leave a comment down below, click the bell icon for notification, and also share. And as usual guys, I've added some of my awesome bonuses today. All you need to do to have access to these bonuses is also to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page right here. This is actually my source page. And remember guys, these bonuses that I'm adding today, you can only have access to all of them provided you grab within this time frame, because the timer is ticking guys. You have 4 days left to have access to all these awesome bonuses, because once this timer runs out, I'm not promising that you have access to all these bonuses that I shall be sharing with you guys today. So now let me quickly take you guys to the sales page. Let's see what Rudy has to say about this product. So here is the sales page. So it's saying it's a revolutionary all-in-one video marketing automation technology with 0 monthly fees. And these are the features of this app. Brand new, never seen before, 5-in-1 video marketing technology. Creates attention-grabbing videos for any audience in any niche. Tap into huge video marketing industry for 0 monthly fees. Millions of media assets included to engage max audience and boost engagement. Share videos easily on top social platforms and drive traffic. 100% newbie friendly with step-by-step video training. And of course, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Yes, he's saying today that if you grab this product and within 30 days you don't feel like you want it anymore, or it's not working as promised, that you can be refunded, no questions asked. Yes, this is what he's promising today. And guys, these are some users of this app and what they have to say about the app. But for the sake of time, I'm not going to read all of that. I mean, if you purchase, you have access to all this info right here. So these are the 3 steps that you need to deploy to get this app up and running. Of course, you need to purchase to be able to log in, then you activate it, and then you drive traffic and sales. Now guys, let's quickly go down to the bonuses that he has added. Remember, I told you guys that I also have 5 of my insane bonuses that I'm adding today. I've never added these bonuses before guys. So if you purchase through my link, you have my 5 bonuses added plus 5 of Rudy's as well. So the first bonus that he has added is the Camtasia software premium, and then the second one is 100 plus done for you Instagram HD videos. And then the third bonus is $100 day income system. The fourth one is YouTube traffic case study, and then the 5th bonus is 100 plus premium themes and plugins. Yes, so the bonuses that he has added, he's saying that is worth $2,958 guys. And remember, like I said, I have 5 of my insane bonuses too. So speaking of bonuses, let me quickly take you to mine so that I can share what I've added for you guys today. So the first one actually is, the first bonus that I've added is the SEO video warrior, and then the second bonus is the Equinox Pro. The third bonus that I've added guys is the social marketing tips, and then the fourth one is the video marketing secrets. The 5th one finally is you have access to all the vendor bonuses guys. Remember that the clock is ticking, 4 days left. All you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below, and it brings you to this my awesome page here. And remember guys, if you signed in through Warrior Plus, click on the blue button where it says access affiliate bonus, and all my bonuses shall automatically be added. If it is through JV Zoo, click on the red arrow, and then the where the red arrow is, the box right there, and then my bonuses shall automatically be added. Now I have shown you the bonuses. Let me quickly take you to the prices, guys. The prices and the upsells. So the front end is $17. Remember that with $17 you're gonna have access to this software as well as 10 awesome bonuses, guys. And then the unlimited version of this is $37. The done for you is $197, and then the pro is $37. The exclusive is $97, and then the reseller rights is $37. Remember, guys, you can as well have access to the down sales if you grab within the sales period. So instead of purchasing at $37, you might get $27, and then instead of the $199, you get it at $97. So guys, the chances are the earlier the better, guys. So like I said earlier, with $17 you have access to the software as well as the training modules. The upsell one, the OTO one, which is the $37, the unlimited, these are the features of what you will get. Unlimited video downloads, video creation, no limits, unlimited access, millions of stock images and all of that. And then with the OTO2, which is the VID engine done for you, so pretty much everything will be done for you. So you get 500% more traffic, sales, and profits. And then the third one, the pro, which is $37. So you get 300% more traffic and sales faster and easier with zero tech skills and all that. And then the fourth one, which is the exclusive, is you have the setup done for you, funnel integration and autoresponder, and then of course you have support system. And then the fifth one, guys, is the reseller rights. Like I said earlier, if you purchase this, you pretty much will be able to sell it as your own product and make commissions throughout the funnels. So I have shown you guys, these are like the features, the benefits that I mentioned earlier that you'll be getting once you purchase this app. So let's see how the members area looks like. So once you sign in, this is the members area. From here you can log in and out. You can see this is the home, the short URL, the images download, image to video, your videos, bonuses, training upgrade, and all that, and the support. So from here, depending on which platform you want to download your video from, like you can see, it shows Vimeo, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, just name it. All you need to do is to you see the icon right here, you can download it. And then you can also create short URLs depending on which marketing platform that you are on. So you can create it right here. And then you can also download images as well. You see, you have the unlimited images downloader right here. You can type in search and then boom, you download it. And then this will be the image to video. So all you need to do is to search, put in the keyword, you can import or you can upload, and then you get like 5 images. Select the provider right here, whichever social platform that you want, then you search it. All right, so this will be your videos right here. So you can also see thumbnails, and then the title, you see the sizes, you can copy, you can duplicate, and then you can also delete it. And then for the bonuses, you have access to it, and then the training. So let's see, if you click on the bonuses, it might not be readily available here because this is for demo purposes. But once you purchase, you have access to all those bonuses, and as well as the training. I know that nothing will show up right here now because it's for demo purposes. So purchase, and then you have access to all of this. And again, guys, to upgrade, you can click right here, and then it shows you whichever upgrade that you want. You can access everything from that standpoint. And then questions, and then if you are confused in any way, click on the support, and then you will put in your name and email and all that. You submit your ticket right here, and then that's it. You can log in and out. basically that's just everything about the VID engine. Nothing complicated right here. So I like the way this whole thing is structured, so there is no confusion at all. Okay guys, now I have shown you the sales page, I have shown you the bonuses, the prices and the upsells, and then the demo, the members area, how it looks like. So basically that's all that I've got to share with you guys today. Do not forget to click on the link that is in the description box below, because from that link you have access. You come to my bonus page, and then you have access to 5 of my bonuses today guys, and also 5 bonuses from Rudy's. Remember, even if it's just the front end that you're purchasing today, which is $17, you have access to 10 awesome bonuses, provided that you are buying this within this time frame right here guys, within 4 days, because once this timer runs out, you might not have access to all these awesome bonuses that I have shared with you guys today. So thank you so much guys for sticking with me. Thank you for sharing my videos, for the comments, for subscribing, and guys, please stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.